Hi, thank you for joining and welcome at the Giesen Amsterdam tour. Today we bring a visit to the hotspot Cafecito. It's their top priority to keep their coffee beans as fresh as possible. We like to know all about it, so let's go.
Hi, I'm Mohamed Ali. I'm one of the owners of Cafecito. We roast our coffee in Amsterdam on Giesen W6A. We sell our coffee as a retail or as beverages through our counter here in our shop in Amsterdam. Cafecito is unique because we roast only coffee that can be called specialty coffee, and we try to give our customers the best experience they can get when buying a coffee, as well as roasted coffee or as beverages. The Giesen roaster also fits very well in our interior, and it enhances the coffee experience in our store. We chose Giesen because Giesen is like the #1 coffee roaster builder in the world. Beside that, we are born and raised in Amsterdam, so it makes sense that we choose for a Dutch-made machine. Cafecito started with passion and love for coffee, then it became a business. In the future, we hope to expand and make more people happy with our passion and love for the coffee.
What I really like about Giesen is it's a really well-built machine, and you have many different models. And for a business that's scaling, you can start with a small model and you can upgrade as your business scales. And yeah, that's super nice, of course. Yeah, well, I grew up in Kenya in East Africa, and my favorite coffee is, of course, from home. It's a Kenya natural that we also have on the grinder now. It has a bit of a fruity taste, it's quite acidic, and in general, it has an all-rounded pungent flavor. It's just a very tasty coffee, and that's my favorite coffee. Being a coffee roaster in Amsterdam is really interesting. The Dutch coffee market is really advanced compared to other markets, and this really gives me a new challenge to keep improving myself every day. And I also love the coffee community here because we're really able to exchange information and help each other learn and grow, and I think that's super cool. The best roast tip that I would say from my coffee journey is everything that you do, you should record. Because especially if you find the magic recipe or a certain way of doing something, you should know how to replicate that again, especially if you do production roasting. And that would be the biggest tip that I can give. And also when you're roasting, just try and keep doing everything the same. If you change it every day and it's always different, your result is also going to be different. So consistency is key. From a roasting perspective, I would really like to roast more and more good specialty coffees and make specialty coffee accessible for everyone. But most importantly, my main mission is to support smallholder East African farmers. So to get coffee from Kenya and Rwanda and bring it over to the Netherlands and freshly roasted for people here to enjoy. At Cafecito, we have the signature blend, which is the 001 blend. And that's a really sweet, nutty coffee that mixes well with milk beverages too. And it's also really nice as an espresso. And yeah, it would be really nice for you guys to try it.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our visit at Cafecito. To stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you later.